Welcome back. In the next section, section 12, what we're going to look at is how to remove items from a dictionary and change existing items. So first let's take a look at our dictionary for zoo animals. So this is, I guess this is some sort of museum. Okay, so our dictionary consists of an animal of some kind and the room where it currently is. So unicorn is stored in a room called Cotton Candy House. Sloth is in the rainforest exhibition, and so on. So they've given us an example of how to delete items from the list. So we're going to delete unicorn here. So we just simply say del and then reference the name of the dictionary and the item in the dictionary that we wish to delete. We don't need to make any reference to the key. The key is usually something that we're trying to look up. So for example, what is the phone number of my friend? So you would have a name and a phone number, or a client and an address. In this case, we have an animal type and where in the museum that animal is located. So when you delete from a dictionary, don't worry about the key. You only need to delete the name of the item. So we're deleting the sloth and we're deleting the Bengal tiger. Okay, so sloth is right there. We can see where it's being held, and the Bengal tiger is in a room called the Jungle House. After deleting those two items, we then want to change an item, the rockhopper penguin. Well, let's find the rockhopper penguin in our dictionary. So there's the rockhopper penguin, and we can see it's currently kept in the Arctic exhibition. So just choose any room. I don't think they specified what room to put it in. Yes, any other room except for the Arctic exhibition. So you can make up anything at all. I just chose a room called Gallery B. And if you notice here, I'm using Notepad++. If you're able to install this on your computer, great. It will make your life a lot easier. It's not mandatory. You can continue working with the Codecademy without it. This is a perfectly good code editor, but you will see that Notepad++ will save you a lot of time in typing, and I'll show you why it saves you in a minute. So you would go to the website and you would download it if you're able to install on your machine. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Now, look what I do here. I'm going to, let's say, delete another item here. I type del and it appears on the list there. Okay, then I hit the tab key on my keyboard, and then I want to specify the name of the dictionary. I just type 2 letters and it's already on it, so I'm going to press the tab key. So you can see how this is saving us a lot of keystrokes. I enter the square brackets, and inside it I want to specify another animal in there. Let's say the Atlantic puffin. I type the first letter, and there it is. Oh, not yet. Atlantic, AT. So I hit tab, I got that in there, do a space, and then puffin. Okay, so you can see here how it would save you keystrokes if you were able to install this on your machine. So if you do decide to download and install it, just a reminder, to get it to function properly, you do need to set the language to Python. There are other things that you can configure in here by going to preferences and change the size of the fonts, but it will definitely save you a lot of time if you're using a modern Python editor.